Is that him?
That might be him. That might be Rand.
Rand's first day
Hey.
here. We are all eating some delicious deli sandwiches and we are drinking ginger infused cider. And we are happy. It's a nice day. See, the sky is pure blue, some clouds. And it's a good day. Anything you want to add? How are you feeling about the hike?
Yeah, it's a good day and good company so far. For the 1 hour I've been here.
This is Snacks post cider.
Let me note
tell.
how ginger and cider affects it.
What happened? It stuck to the Velcro?
Stuck to the Velcro.
Oh, now you've got the pillow too.
You're kind of
I think this could work. I got the feet in.
trying to give you more.
Rachel's eating her salad, drinking local beer from Burlington. We are enjoying these tater tots. What do you think of them?
Pretty good.
Take it easy. I'm standing on the corner with the rest on it. Such a fun sight to see. It's a go.
It's actually not that bad because there's rocks and you have super long legs. This steep hill. No. Struggling a lot. I'm just standing in place right now because I can't do a video at the same time. That's a good sign. Alright, going up the hill. There's a literal ladder.
Nice.
And we're about to climb that ladder. Okay, I gotta do it, otherwise I'll be scared.
Yeah, let's do this red rock style.
Here he comes. I know we love this song. Good. You doing so well? So this is the reward at the end of a long day of hiking. This beautiful waterfall, the biggest one we've seen yet.
Totally worth all the ups and downs today.
Totally worth it. We have it all to ourselves because of course it's an unusual time to be at the waterfall. And what do you think about it?
Yeah, it's amazing. And this video is proof of life that I did make it through and they did not kill me.
No, you did wonderful. Look at this cliff. It's just carved out by the water. So crazy. There's that tree just hanging on. So we're hiking southbound again, slackpacking again, through this beautiful field on this beautiful blue sky day. Not a cloud in the sky today. And Rachel, what just happened?
We got treated very nicely by Joey. He came an hour out of his way to pick us up and bring us to Route about 12, and we stopped, and he bought us ice cream and offered to buy us lunch, and gave us leftover onion rings and grilled cheese, and then gave us a tour of all the towns we passed through and told us about the whites, showed us on a map, gave us his itinerary going through the whites. He brought us to Dan's farmhouse, and then he actually took us to a road 4.5 miles away.
So we could slack pack 4.5 miles back to Dan's farmhouse.
And we're in the barn with Christmas lights. Gotta watch out for this doorway. So we are on the back porch right now. Firefly moon. Firefly moon. And all of this stuff is for sale. And it's a total hiker trap. Oh, they have cheese sticks, Sunkist, chocolate milk, Starbucks, Gatorade, watermelon, and it's really cute. I'll try to do a... Oh, I didn't see the freezer. The freezer is... Look at those ice cream sandwiches. Oh my goodness. Chocolate chip cookies with vanilla ice cream. Are you kidding me? Freezy pops. This is so cool. We have a sign on the freezer about their, their garlic powder. Yeah, it says garlic powder. We love this stuff on the trail. We put it in our mac and cheese, refried beans, Knorr sides, you name it. It made everything just a little yummier. Firefly's mom grows this garlic, dries it, and then grinds it up into powder. We hope you like it as much as we did, and still do. Store it in the freezer.
Day 3 that Rand's been hiking with us. And what do you think, Rand?
It's fun.
What do you think of your full weight in the pack?
Definitely feels a little different than the last couple days.
Different how?
Gotta balance my weight a little more. And yeah, just more conditioning.
It's gratifying for people to see how hard this is. Because we do a lot, and we just climbed a ginormous hill, but then we were rewarded with 3 fruit snacks, and now we're in a nice shade and it's pretty flat, and I'm glad for that. I don't know how long this will last, but I'll take what I can get. Just enjoying life on the AT. That's the privy. It's really it's pretty nice. It might smell a little right now, which I apologize for. It's like a little gazebo. And I guess I should mention that in privies you have these wood chips that you flush down to get rid of the smell. But this is actually the first privy I've seen of this type. So you can wave while you're doing your business. Rand, go for it. We're not gonna watch you the whole time, I promise. This is heaven. Fields of wildflowers. And the mountains in the distance. And the hills. It's all so pretty. Alright, you ready? I don't know. There's this scary tree. It's hugging the other tree.
and they both look like they're about to topple over. And that right there, going through it, is the trail.
I hope I'm short enough.
Alright, let's see if I make it. Oh, I made it!
You missed it. There was a butterfly that just like came and flew next to your stand.
Aww. Do you have any last words for Vermont before we cross into New Hampshire?
We love you, Vermont. We love Bennington. We are glad that we were trapped there another day. We love the coffee from Killington Motel. We love all the hills because they're making our life stronger. One of my favorite states. So thank you, Vermont.
Thank you, Vermont.
I want to jump in. So hot.
The water looks really nice. It's super hot in town, and the road is hurting our feet. But we're gonna power through and make it to Hanover. Oh man, that water looks nice though. Oh, we made it!
We made it.
We made it! Snacks is in New Hampshire.
I'm in New Hampshire.
I'm still in Vermont. And I'm going over. I'm in New Hampshire. Woo! Since New York.
My toes coming through the top.
Yes. And these are her new shoes. How many miles since New York would you say?
New York. Okay, I think we're at about 400 miles when we went to the dance. So we've done about 300 miles. These did not last 500 miles.
That's crazy. Look at the color change.
We got some drinks, some Switchback beer and wine, 1 glass of red wine, 1 beer split between 2 of us, and then some sips from Rand's stuff. And it cost nothing, it cost free because we're guests here and they have a happy hour. We also had smoked Gouda. Smoked bread. Yeah, and bread and olives. Oh man. And then we come back here and we eat these jelly beans from the co-op.
There's like the beds, normal, beef. But then you go over here and it's like a whole kitchenette. We got a huge refrigerator and freezer combo. Microwave, dishwasher, sink.
Oh, that way, yeah.
And then where Rachel, there's like a seating area. It's called the Element Hotel Hanover and we highly recommend it. There was even a scale in the fitness room. Eating some more of these jelly beans. They're so good. I miss jelly beans. We haven't had our electrolyte jelly beans.
So good.
I'm super tipsy. And it was raining, but this looks like a very nice outdoor area. We're at the Hanover Food Co-op, enjoying some delicious Mexican street corn, some crispy spicy tofu, some mac and cheese, stir fry, spinach salad for Rachel, of course. And then we got more pot stickers and spanakopita. Yeah. Delicious. We're very happy right now.
We are walking to the co-op. We just walked through all the leaves. You see the hotel and Rachel in the background? Yeah. We made a shortcut that Rand showed us. And what are we gonna get at the co-op?
Those are plastic bags you guys needed, and
Ziplocs.
yeah,
They save our lives on trail.
some ginger cider.
Ooh. I just had some red wine and some Switchback ale. We need to get back before the Hunger Games starts.
Yeah,
There's Rachel.
we have 35 minutes.
35 minutes to go there and go back.
Hey!
We found blackberries.
Blackberries growing on the side of the trail. Tastes good.
Tastes like a blackberry.
Yeah.
Doesn't taste poisonous. Hopefully we don't die.
Nah. We know our blackberries. They're not like the night moth from Hunger Games.
That would be so bad. I picked the whole stem by accident. Oh no, it's covered in thorns.
Uh-oh. Don't swallow that.
I don't want that.
Yum.
Found a bunch of blackberries.
Yum.
You want some? Little blackberry seeds stuck in my teeth.